Guys, you will not believe this. I just found the ultimate solution to trading without capital, but yet yielding massive and serious results. Stay tuned to this video to know how you can trade without capital, but yet you'll be yielding massive results, you'll be gaining massively from it. Sounds insane, right? But it's absolutely true. Let me go to the chart and show you how it's done. Okay, let's go there. Keep with my eyes. All you just have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel and get more updates like this. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that I lost my 10k profit and I've not been trading any major profit for a while now. This video right here that I explained at the background, this video currently that I explained at the background is the video I made recently about how I lost my profit and I'm scaling through with my small account. Today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. You can see this, yes. Today's Tuesday and it's 5:26 p.m. 29th July, and I'm recording this video. Basically, the whole moral and knowledge of this video is to encourage those people that do not have capital. You don't have to sit idle and say you don't have capital, so you'll not be looking at your chart every time. Let me go to the chart and show you what I'm really talking about. Let's go. When I open my chart, the first thing I do is to check my economic calendar. And today being Tuesday, let me refresh. Today being Tuesday, there were minimal news, only one major USD news. There was minimal news today, this is the part where I document my trade. This is my journal. I use traderflow.app to document my trades. This is like my trading journal. And if you come to my history of trading journal, these are the 2 trades I took today and I journaled them. But let me go firstly and show you what they look like on the chart. So this is US oil. In the last video, I got some comments saying I should refine the number of pairs I'm trading. Hence, I thought it was that yes, I need to refine the pairs I'm trading, so I came up with these pairs. I'm very comfortable trading these pairs. So on the US oil, if you go to the daily time frame, you'll see that US oil is being consolidating or ranging in this particular zone here. For this zone here, ranging on the daily time frame. But then the daily time frame is more or less like an overall time frame, so you will not get like an actual knowledge. Or inside of this ranging, there are a whole lot of movements. You can cash 100 pips inside of this ranging here too. So come to the 4 hours time frame, I can see that there was a change of character to the downside here, and after the change of character, price went up and there was a break of structure here. I think I didn't mark this out. So the break of structure to the upside from here in this zone. There's a break of structure here. There's a break of structure to the upside here. And I took advantage of this particular break of structure because I noticed that price got to this particular order block here. This order block, and when price got to this order block, it started tilting up. Even from here, you can see this is the origin that caused this particular, even without marking this one here. I can even mark here. Firstly. Here being the origin. I can mark here. You understand? So I come to the 1 hour time frame. I'm not really doing a top-down analysis right now, but I'm just trying to show you how I took the trade I saw today. 1 hour time frame, I still saw the same thing. And on this, I take my entries from 15 minutes time frame. And on the 15 minutes time frame, basically, I'm trying to make this video as short and precise as possible. On the 15 minutes time frame, I saw that there was a break of structure here to the upside. There's a break of structure here to the upside. I'm not tapping. There's a break of structure here to the upside, which is here. For the break of structure, there was yet another break of structure. So Normally after a break construction there'll be a retest. This is the retest. The construction, yeah, there'll be a retest. So I was patiently waiting for the retest. So my entry was on the retest. So I went for a quick 1 to 3, 1 to 3.27. So let me scale it a bit. Yeah. Now we'll come to smaller time frame so it will be clearer. Okay, yeah. This is the 5 minute time frame. So on this particular trade, you saw that there was an inducement, but then there was an inducement here. This was an inducement. This first move was an inducement before price came back to retest my entry zone, and then it went up again. Price came to retest and it went up again. I placed this trade and it gave me a clean 1 to 3, and it was really nice. Even though I did not place this trade on my Meta app, placing the long and short on my trade view alone gave me this dopamine feeling of, yes, I'm still in the game, and I analyzed a market and it actually hit my TP. That is the sense of understanding I want you to grab in this video. The fact that you do not have capital does not mean that you should sit idle and say, it's only when I have capital, that is when I want to enter trade, that is when I want to take trade. No, it's not done like that. Sometimes if you don't have capital, still go on the chart and do analysis, place your buy and sell. I will not even advise taking on them, but just act like you are taking actual trades, right? So that you would get this feeling of, okay, yes, you are doing it right, you are doing it wrong. And over time, if you do it the first time, the second time, it's more or less like you are backtesting a live market, right? So when you backtest a live market, the result that comes with it is usually massive. So you will gain a whole lot of knowledge from it. So the same thing, I took the AUD card. I missed it because I did not take the trade. I wasn't having any capital in my account. So, but this is the clean sheet of the before, and this is the after of the AUD card. And this is, let me go to the US oil. This is the before. This is the before, and this is the after of the US oil, right? So this whole video is basically to let you know that capital is not the problem. The problem is how you can adapt to, is there capital? How can I trade this market? When there is no capital, am I getting it right? If you are getting it right when there is no capital, it definitely means when there is capital, there's more chances of you getting it right. Do you understand? It's just like a leverage for you to get it even more right. So that is what this video is all about. So if you're watching this video, I want you to keep your heads up and always make sure that capital do not hold you back towards entering the chart every day to see what's happening with the market. The chart is like something, if you leave it for a long time, it just a whole lot of things happening. If you close the chart for 24 hours, I bet you before you open your chart, you see that a lot has happened in the market and you wouldn't want to be caught unaware, you understand? So I always admonish you to open your chart every time and know what's happening in the market. If you're watching this video to this extent, I want you to please subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe and drop a comment on the video, and then make sure you share and support the family. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and it's peace out from here. I think from now, let me wear my glasses back now. Okay, much better. I'm really loving this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. By the way, a video about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 review is coming up real soon. Stay tuned to the channel.